If you are looking for a super quick and simple airdrop, this style is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve this beautiful style that you are seeing on my screen. It is super easy. So I just take my airdrop from front to back, make some rough pleats. You can skip the rough pleat if you don't know how to do it. And now I cross it at the back, and then I bring my action working forward again. And this time around, I'm not crossing, I'm not playing around it. I give it a quick fast knot, and I decided to do my knot on the side instead of the central part. And I'm going to be opening up the hand that open. See, I open it up now. I have another hand, but that one is smaller, so I am going to be using the big one, going in a circular motion to form a bead pattern. And that's exactly what I'm doing here, making sure that everything is well secure, well pinned. And everybody is going to be good to go. Even without being done, you can see this airdrop is looking so beautiful already. Look at that side rows. So I'm just opening it up, arrange it the way it's supposed to arrange. And guys, this airdrop is super easy. If you are the type that you say having difficulty to tie your airdrop, check out our airdrop playlist. You will learn different type of airdrop. We have over 120 different airdrop tutorials in that playlist. Do endeavor to check it out. And guys, we are done with this airdrop. I'm going to be attaching my brooch for more elegancy. And guys, this looks so beautiful. What do you think? Give it a rating. How easy it is and how beautiful it looks. Yeah, on a scale of 0 to 10. What rating are you giving for beautiful? What rating are you giving for easy? And that's it. It's a very super easy and beautiful airdrop. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video up to this moment, do endeavor to help me share. That is all I'm asking you for. Share this video, let it reach more people, let others learn. And guys, we are done. I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day. I love you all. Thank you for your support. I cannot do this by myself without you guys. You guys are the best. God bless you. Amen.